Voicify app audio chat creator AI voice conversations. So here is the app, the first AI celebrity voice app that allows you to generate incredibly realistic conversations, create audio chats involving your favorite celebrities, customize characters, yourself, and even your friends. Surprise them with the amazing conversations you create. So realistic voice generation, diverse characters, flexibility in conversation, creation interactive experience. Just choose a voice that matches celebrity or character envisioned for conversation, create the dialogue, record personal inputs, expand the chat, share your creations. So here is just, you can just tap cat. Create conversation with anyone. And then write, or so you can just write. And then you need to try premium. So this is just the idea how you can generate 0 days free trial, $15 per week. And this is a bit annoying, so I can't cancel it. But yeah, that's just what you have in here.